What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create your custom MIDI velocity preset. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, if you want to create your own velocity preset, you got to go to Quantize panel, and you'll have this box here. What you have to do is just drag this MIDI event straight into this box. Okay, and before you save this preset, you got to go to position and make sure you bring it down to 0% and velocity to 100%. Okay, and if you click save here, okay, now it has created a preset for you which only affect the velocity. Okay, now I'm gonna create another hi-hat pattern. Okay, so if you notice, both of these hi-hat doesn't have the same pattern, right? And this preset will still affect these MIDI notes even it's not following the same MIDI notes, right? So what you're gonna do now, once you are happy with this rhythm here, if you want to adjust the velocity, just go to you can press Q, right? I'm gonna press Q now, and it adjusted the velocity automatically. Or you can just go to this quantize preset and select the preset that you want and hit Q. Okay, and if you want to rename this preset, you got to go to the quantize panel again and go and select that preset, click on this drop down menu and go to rename preset, select and type in whatever you want. I'm going to just type velocity. Okay, so I have this velocity preset added here. Okay, let's say I'm creating another hi-hat pattern, right? And I want the velocity to be adjusted, so I'm gonna press this and hit Q, right? And that's all for today, guys. If you guys find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.